Hi, I'm Kelly Perry with Team Flower, and I have a quick little idea for you if you'd like to add something special to the back of your bride and groom's reception chairs. I have some wire, and I'm going to join 3 pieces of it together. Just really simple and quick. If you had some extra, maybe leftover vines that you didn't need, this would be a good way that you could utilize them using things that you have on your day of installation toolkit. Wire and ribbon, the essentials. And what I'm going to do is just make a quick little wreath. I want it to be about that big. And these wires at the top are what I'm going to use to attach it to the chair. I'm not going to get too excited about what this wire looks like because I'm going to whip and weave this ivy all around. To cover that up. And I'm just trimming off the pieces of ivy that, don't have any pretty leaves attached. I'll just have to work to cover that up later and don't want to bother. The parts of the ivy on this one are they're really not all that flexible, so I'm just gonna skip that piece altogether. Not really well suited for what I want to do. And that's really as full as I want it to be. I want something light and sweet. Also not going to get too excited about how this wire looks either because I'm going to add just a little bit of ribbon. That'll cover that up. I'm going to go over once. I'm going to go the opposite way so that I have ribbon on both sides. Create a simple knot at the top of the chair. Tie that in a pretty bow. So there's a sweet little wreath idea if you happen to have some ivy left over and some ribbon. Or of course you can plan on doing it. All right, that's all I have for you today. I'm Kelly Perry with Team Flower. Thanks so much for watching.